Welcome back. Let's talk to Mike van Dulken. He's the head of research at Accendo Markets. Mike, very good morning to you. Let's talk copper. You've sent a slide in. What are your thoughts here?
Well, the initial observation is that we've broken December's uptrend. That was already topping out into the end of December. So the beginning of the year has been a downer so far. Got a trend there of long, higher candlestick wicks. You know, we're testing high, but we're ultimately finishing lower. That's normally a bearish signal. As I said, break of the downtrend, break of the uptrend rather, as well as rising highs have knocked it back. Potential, I think, for it to send it back to 3,000, which, in all honesty, is only a 10% retrace. It's nothing huge.
But the rate of ascent there is astronomical, isn't it? In terms of the textbooks would say, in terms of price and time, we should be going at a 45-degree angle.
Yep.
So the uptrend is sustainable. But that's sort of off to the moon, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's very, very strong. I mean, various measures, you know, the weak dollar helped. That makes commodity prices cheaper in relative terms. There was supply concerns regarding China, also China scrapping or reducing the scrappage it's taking back in terms of old copper, all seen as, you know, buoying the market, which, you know, sent it into year-end highs like many other assets, to be honest. So there may just be an element of overheating that needs to correct itself, and it could well be just a natural
pullback on
cards. Natural pullback before
let's go to part two. You've got the Antofagasta charts here. What are your thoughts here?
Well, very similar, except for the fact that rather than having the rising highs from September here, we've got falling highs, which have again seen the shares kind of come a cropper, hit the resistance and pull back, pulling back to break that same strong uptrend we saw on the copper chart. So again, I see potential for a pullback. Possibly not as far as the recent lows, maybe back as far as maybe 920.
Sort of 50% retracement using the sort of technical level, maybe.
Yeah, but I think it's interesting to see the rising highs versus the falling highs here. So they're not looking exactly the same.
Right.
You know, is there more optimism in copper than there is actually in Antofagasta?
Right.
But for the moment, you know, it may even be a little bearish flag that's forming there. It takes us down to 960, 950. Maybe 920 would be a near-term downside target. If it does want to go all the way, then all the better.
Understood. Mike, thank you very much indeed.